Hey guys, it's Shaheena. So in today's video I will show you guys my 19th birthday makeup look. So I'm starting off with the clean face, and then I'm going to take a primer from LA Girl Pro Primer, and then I'm just basically taking a little amount of it and then putting it all over my face, especially around my nose and my inner cheek area, because that's where I have like pores, I guess, and those are the areas that I get oily so much. So now I'm going to take my mermaid brush and I'm going to take the Revlon 24-Hour Color Stay Foundation, and I'm just basically using this foundation on. Most likely I'm going to speed all these parts because they were pretty boring to watch, so I'm just speeding that up. And by the way, this foundation is amazing. I'm almost running out of it. It's like almost gone. So this is a must foundation if you really want something full coverage. Obviously it was my birthday, so I needed a full coverage. And by the way, speaking of birthday, on this day when I'm gonna film this video, it's pre-filmed. So if you guys want to know what I'm actually doing for my birthday, you guys can subscribe to my vlogging channel. I'll leave it down below. And then for my concealer, I'll be taking the LA Girl concealer in the shade Pure, and then I will just like putting it down on my cheek area and under my eyes and on the tip of my nose, because I love highlighting, obviously you can tell. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a translucent white powder and put it under my eyes, and you know what, just basically bake my face in a simple way, because yeah, those are the areas that I get oily the most, so I love baking it, and also because I just love baking, as weird as that sounds. Oh yeah, also for my lips, I'm already wearing the color before I start the video because I hate having nothing on my lips. So I'm just gonna take the Maybelline 24-Hour Color Lip Balm, and then I'm gonna take that powder. But first, I am gonna dust off everything. I'm gonna take that powder and just put it on top of my eyelid because I want it to be, you know, dry. And then I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I'm using Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I love this palette. I'm gonna take this shade, that one, and the bottom one, and I'm gonna mix it all together and put it on my crease. So basically using it as a crease color. I love it so much. I love the formula. I love how these three colors came in together and made that perfect brown. Like, it's like almost in between of really dark brown and really light, but not that light that it's like in the middle of like red. Like, does that make sense? But it's amazing. So I'm just gonna use that all over my eyelid. So next on, I'm going to take that red and put it on my eyelid beneath the crease. It is a red and I love it. It is a matte red. It is amazing. The formulas, not just for this eyeshadow but the other eyeshadows, are amazing. They're highly pigmented. And then I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend down my crease because it was way too harsh, and girl, you do not want harsh crease. And also putting this eyeshadow on. Oh yeah, that's me zooming in. Yeah, I'm trying to show you guys the fallouts. These eyeshadows that I was using, they had major fallouts, and I kind of wished I used it before I put my foundation on. But anyway, there's me using a makeup wipe to, you know, cover out my eyeshadow and make it clean, and to also get rid of the fallouts that fell on top of at the bottom of my eyelids. I mean eye bag, yeah, that. Yeah, now that I'm done, I actually had to wipe off my foundation and every makeup underneath my eyes. So I'm just gonna go back with the concealer and just like, you know, conceal my eye bags with that mermaid brush. I love that mermaid brush, it's amazing. Also, I felt like the red was too lonely, so I decided to use this glittery red and just put it on top of the red. That way it's more glittery, because if there's no glitter, there's no Shaheena. And then I zoomed in to show you guys how it looked, and then I'm gonna use this bright champagne-y color on my inner corners because I want it to be popping. I want my eyeshadow to be popping. That's why I use that color. And yet again, it sounds really weird. As well as using the same color, the champagne color, in my inner corner, I decided to use it on top of my brow bone because I loved that subtle shimmery color. It was amazing. I never highlight my brow bone for some reason, I don't know why, but I loved the fact that this eyeshadow matches my skin tone and it just looks really natural. Then I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys how my final eyeshadow looks, and I love it. It's amazing. It's like bam, it's out of nowhere. So then I'm gonna wipe off all the baking pressed powder, and then I'm gonna use just a normal powder to powder my face. I don't know where this powder is from, but anyway, yeah. Then I'm gonna take the Maybelline Master Highlight slash Blush product and just, you know, use it as a blush and use it as a highlight and a blush together. See, I'm getting so mixed up. And I love how it looks. It's so good. Then I'm gonna take another highlight. I don't know, I think it's in the shade Bronzy or something, and then I'm just gonna highlight my nose and on top of it, and then I'm gonna take eyelash curler and curl my lashes and just put this mascara on. And again, I have no idea where this mascara is from. And the last thing that I have to do is to just underline my waterline with a charcoal black eyeliner, and the look is done. Overall, I love this look so much, and I'm so happy that I used the Morphe palette from Jaclyn Hill, and I love her videos so much. But anyway, so this is it to the makeup look, and I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!